Hello everyone, this is a table skirt I customized from a factory, and today I'm taking this video. Just want to show you how to put it on, and after that let's check the quality to find out if I can put it on my selling list. Okay, now let's get it started. Okay, when we can open the bag. I got the table skirt and the fabric to put on the surface, the desktop fabric. So when you customize the table skirt, you need to tell me the size of your table. Okay, now let's check the quality. This fabric is eye-seal fabric. This kind of fabric are widely used on event decoration because the thread will not easy to come out and it doesn't wrinkle. Smooth, but there's a shortage. Look at this. The fabric is very thin, transparent. Look at it. Can you see my hands? But anyway, because I checked a lot of this kind of fabric from different factory, but this factory using this eye-seal fabric in better quality. So the quality is good, but the shortage of this type of fabric is transparent. So if you mind the transparency, it might not suitable for you. But anyway, the price is good and the quality are also not bad. On my opinion, the quality is passed, it's okay. Okay, let me put it on the desktop. Okay, I just put the fabric on the table. Look at it, just put it on the table will be okay. And let's try it. There are little spot, not much. I just found a little spot here. So but on my opinion, if you order this kind of tablecloths, the little spot can be acceptable. We cannot avoid that. Okay, then let's check the table skirt. Okay, look at the sewing. I think the sewing is okay. I don't ask more. Very firmly, but they didn't serve the ink, not the ink, the edge of the fabric. But just because the advantage of the fabric, the thread will not come out. That is why it's widely used on event decoration. They don't need to serve the edge of the fabric. So if you order this kind of table skirt from China, I think the quality, the sewing skill are almost the same. Okay, anyway, let's check and put on the put on the skirt firstly. First of all, we need to put on this clip. when you order this clip, you need to tell me the thickness of your desktop. Because we have different size. If you want to check the size, please link to my product list. Okay. The next one. Okay, after I put the clip around the table, the next step, I will stick the table skirt on the clip. Look at our table skirt. There's a velcro here, so we can stick on the clip like this. Okay, then I will show you the effect after I stick all of them. Okay, completed. Let's check the table skirt. Let's check the quality. The sewing is good. The effect is good. We can adjust the table clothes, the table skirt like this. We can adjust. So this is the effect. Okay, let's check the detail. It's made of 2 layers of net. 1 layer, second layer, the net, and the third layer is the ISIL fabric. Okay, and let's check the transparency. I put on my hand. So can you see my hand? A little bit transparent, but I think it's okay. If you cannot accept it, you can make a larger fabric. This is the fabric for the desktop. You can make it larger, so make a larger piece, so you can make it as 4 layers. So it will help to solve the transparency problem. Look at this. This is 3 layers, and there's a little piece for the desktop fabric. Okay, it looked like 4th layer, so it's not much obviously, right? So if you want to make customize the table skirt, you can tell me what you want will be okay. We can talk by Facebook page in detail. Okay, now this is today's tutorial. I just want to show you how to put on the table skirt and check the quality. If you want to buy, you can inbox me via my Facebook page. Find the link on the information field will be okay. And for the following tutorial, I will use this table skirt and together with my flowers or other material to show you my idea about to use them to make the decoration. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.